Batya, yan. Mega love shoutout sa'yo, Ems Becca. And thank you for
Bongga
coming.
naman yan. Sir
Syempre,
Daday,
ganun
bongga,
talaga.
bongga ang pa-welcome niya. Oh my God, I flattered for that.
Ay, si Kanor na pala, si Pinuno. Ang pinuno ng tropang Kanor. Si Ems
Hi,
Becca ng
Ems.
Team Batya.
Hello po. I'm from Team Batya Originals, Papa Dio TV, the founder of Team Batya Originals. And this is Ems Vega from Team Batya Originals. I'd be proud to be a Team Batya.
Lods ka, ano mo si Ledia de Vega?
Baka kamag-anak ko, ganon.
Toex 14, mega love shoutout. Master Toex, halika na.
But I'm really glad. Thank you today for allowing me to your funnel. I think this is the
naman,
second
Team
time.
Batya pa ba?
Guys, andito ako to support one of the Team Batya supporter to friend. That's not supporter, it's a friend. I'm proud to be friend of this funnel. Thank you today.
Walang problema. Team Batya pa ba? Ayan, salamat, Toex 14 na. Halika na rito, Master Toex.
Akyat kayo guys. Yan parang ngayon ko lang si Katropang Swiss. Nice to meet you, sir.
O, yan ang Joko Diaz
Nice
ng
meeting
YT.
place.
Nice to meet you, sir. And tulog na yung mga ka-team ko. I know si My Love is tulog na yan.
Dito kanina si Miss
Nakabisi lang.
Beauty
Oo, andyan pa rin siya pero hindi siya
Oh,
nakapag-comment.
si My Love will see you through.
Na siya, nasa hostel na niya and bawal na talaga siyang mag-ingay. Kaya, ayan, nakabideo lang siya dyan.
Okay.
Mary Jane Carderas, magalabi shoutout. Pwede na ba ako kumanta? Day.
Oo, pwede
Yes.
na.
My first song for tonight, guys. And thank you, Sir Day, for allowing me to your funnel. And I really appreciated that you are one of the friend of Team Batya Originals. Sa mga bitter dyan, pasensya na kayo, guys, ha? I don't care about you. This is my support to all the friends of Team Batya Originals. Harapin nyo ako kung bitter kayo. Ganun lang yun. Mabuti na yung nagsasabi ako ng totoo today, ha? Sorry. Kasi baka ma-issue na naman tayo niyan. Di ba? I'm here to spread good vibes and love to all the friends of Team Batya Family Originals. We are here to spread love and goodness and good vibes. And I would like to thank Dave for allowing me to his panel tonight. And of course, nice to meet you, sir, Katropang Swiss. Standing beside you.